Welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. Today we're going to talk about butterflies.
Butterflies live on every continent except Antarctica. They come in all sizes, shapes, and colors. Most of the world's butterflies live in the jungle. This is the painted lady butterfly. Now this is the most widespread butterfly in the entire world. It lives on every continent except Australia and Antarctica. Here is a monarch butterfly. Monarchs are migrants. That means they travel. Every winter they travel to the coast of California or to Mexico. Monarch caterpillars only eat milkweed. You can plant milkweed in your garden and encourage monarchs to lay their eggs there. Be sure to use only native milkweed. Native means it's found naturally in your area. Native milkweed is much better for the health of your caterpillars. This large 5th-inch star monarch caterpillar is about to pupate. That means it's about to become a chrysalis, the stage right before an adult butterfly. There are two main populations of monarchs, the ones east of the Rocky Mountains and the ones west of the Rocky Mountains. In the west, they migrate to the coast of California and Baja, Mexico. In the east, they migrate all the way down to central Mexico. The visual appearance of a butterfly changes greatly over the course of its life. This change is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means change. This diagram shows that it's the same animal growing. Here is the egg. The egg grows into a caterpillar. The caterpillar grows into a pupa, and the pupa grows into an adult. It's all a butterfly, but it goes through different stages of life. Egg, larva, pupa, and adult.
Can you find the egg? That's right, it goes right there. Egg. Good job, buddy. Egg. Yes. And then the larva, the caterpillar. This one. Caterpillar.
No.
Can you put the caterpillar? Yay! And then the pupa. And the adult. Egg, larva, pupa, adult. The egg, the caterpillar, the chrysalis, the adult. This is how a butterfly grows. Egg, larva, pupa, adult.
Butterflies are very important pollinators. That means they help flowers to grow seeds. Butterflies eat nectar from flowers and carry the pollen around. This is a Gulf Fritillary. It's a tropical and semi-tropical butterfly. It's in the family of longwings. You can learn about butterflies and help them by planting a butterfly garden.